How to forward messages on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp and go to the chat that has the message you want to forward. Now, tap and hold the message. This could be anything such as text, images, videos, or documents. Tap the forward arrow icon on the top right of your screen. Now choose the contact or group you want to send it to. If you want, you can select multiple chat at once. Finally, tap the send button. And that's it, the message is now forwarded. Note, forwarded messages are labeled with a forwarded tag to let others know it's not original content. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more WhatsApp tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.